Alright, today we're looking at a 2015 Honda Accord EXL. It's crystal black pearl in color. It's got 91,000 miles on it. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, we'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle here. We'll start on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Turn signals in the side mirrors. You got the chrome door handles with your lock unlock button. It is equipped with sunroof. Okay. Driver's side of the Accord's in great shape. Make our way across the rear of the vehicle. It is equipped with the rear backup camera. Down the passenger side, everything looks good. Got a lock unlock button here on the passenger door handle. It's going to have your blind spot monitoring camera. We'll show you that when we get inside the vehicle. Alright, once again, it's a 2015, 91,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. Alright, for 91,000 miles, the exterior of this Accord is in fantastic shape. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. Got the black on black door panels, power windows, power locks, power mirrors. It does have memory driver seat. Okay. Over here we got your lane departure warning, your econ button, blind spot monitor camera button. Okay. It's got a power driver seat, black leather. Got your perforated inserts. Driver seat's in good shape. Go ahead and give you that shot of the sunroof here. All right. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay. Your center armrest right here with another power outlet there. Alright, it is an automatic. Got your heated seats. Okay. Passenger seat leather's in great shape. Alright, no problems there. Got another power outlet under here. Got your USB and auxiliary ports there. Push button start. Got your dual climate controls. It's going to have your radio display right there, and then your backup camera and blind spot monitoring camera right there. Right. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Alright, let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Alright, it's got 91,207 miles on it. Now that we've got it started, let's go ahead and show you your display screens here. Okay, let's this one's going to have your audio, phone, settings, or info display, and you can cycle through these. Okay. We'll go ahead and do the audio. Alright, and then we'll go ahead and engage the backup camera. And let me see if I can dim this down for you just a little bit. There we go. It's got the guidelines on there as well. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and activate the blind spot monitoring camera. And that's just a camera view of the blind spot. You can activate it with that button left of the steering wheel here. We'll pan down a little bit. Got your radio display right here. Oh, let me see if I can knock that glare down. There we go. Got your radio display here. Okay, once again, dual climate controls. AC's blowing nice and cold, no problems there. Got your push button start here. Okay, and then once again, your automatic heated seats. All right, let's go ahead and step out. We'll take a look in the back seat. All right, and one thing I wanted to point out to you that I just saw here, just a small, I know it's hard to see because it's black, but there's just a small wear spot right here in the floor mat on the driver's side. Really small, no big deal. Just want to point that out to you. Alright, door panels back here are in great shape. Back seat carpet looks good, no staining back here. Okay. Back seat leather is also in really good shape. Got the nice perforated inserts there. Alright, everything's in really good shape back here. Got the center armrest that comes down with the cup holders. Go ahead and give you a driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. Alright. This Accord is in really good shape on the inside. 91,000 miles. Leather's still held up really good. It's been well taken care of. Let's take a look in the trunk back here. Let's see. Let's go ahead and pull that. There we go. Alright, we'll take a look back here. Carpet's nice and clean. I'll step to the side so you can see the depth. A ton of room back there. Go ahead and lift this up. Got your jack and the spare tire down there. Okay. Take a look at the wheels and tires. Got 17-inch alloys. Alright, alloys are in good shape. Tires are good, plenty of tread left on them. Alright, once again, 2015 Honda Accord EXL, 91,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's been well taken care of for 91,000 miles. Exterior, interior, look really good. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.